AI tools for content creation. There are several AI tools available for content creation that offer free plans or trials. Here are some options you might find helpful. Copy.AI. This tool uses AI to generate high-quality marketing copy, product descriptions, taglines, and more. They offer a free plan that allows you to create up to 10 documents per month. Artcoolo. This AI-powered tool helps you create unique articles and blog posts from scratch. They offer a free trial that allows you to generate 2 articles of up to 500 words each. Wordsmith. This tool helps you automate the creation of data-driven reports, product descriptions, and more. They offer a free trial that allows you to create up to 100 content pieces. Headlime. This AI tool helps you generate headlines, doc titles, and add copy. They offer a free plan that allows you to create up to 10 headlines per month. Canva. This design tool offers a range of AI-powered features to help you create visually appealing social media posts, graphics, and presentations. They offer a free plan with limited features, as well as a 30-day free trial of their Pro plan. Subscribe our channel to get latest updates.